Want to give your kids a head start on financial responsibility? Let's dive into setting up Revolut Junior, the app that empowers them to manage money safely with your guidance. First, grab your phone and head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Revolut Junior. It's important to download the correct app, so double-check the developer is Revolut Limited. Now, you need to start from your own Revolut account. Make sure you're logged in. Tap on the hub, which you will find in the bottom right corner of the app. Once done, scroll down and tap on Junior. Tap Add Junior account. You will be required to type in your child's name, their date of birth, and their address. Carefully read the T&Cs and confirm by tap and continue. The information will be automatically sent to your child when they download the app. Now, it is time for your child to download the Revolut Junior app and log in using the details you provided during the setup process. Spend some time working together to set controls such as spending limits, tasks, and allowance. If desired, everything syncs to your phone. Now your child is ready to start making their own smart spending decisions.